CDTV.net Dividend Report is brought to you in part by 1M3 Corporation, IT Solutions for Banking and Finance. Call them at 917-686-3485. That's 917-686-3485. I'm John Hanna, and here are the CDTV.net Dividend Report for Wednesday, April 1st, 2009. But first, here's today's CDTV.net top stories. Fidelity National Information Services Incorporated and Metavante Technologies Incorporated announced that the boards of directors of both companies have approved a definitive agreement under which Fidelity National will acquire Metavante. Under the terms of the agreement, Metavante shareholders will receive a fixed exchange ratio of 1.35 shares of Fidelity National common stock for each share of Metavante common stock they own. The pro forma enterprise value of the combined company is approximately $10 billion. In 2008, the companies generated pro forma combined revenue of $5.2 billion. Companies anticipate $260 million in cost synergies and increased long-term organic revenue growth. Fidelity National Information Services Incorporated provides technology solutions, processing services, and information-based services to the financial service industry. Metavante Technologies Incorporated delivers banking and payments technologies to financial services firms and businesses worldwide. Worthington Industries Incorporated reported third quarter net earnings were $1.6 million or 2 cents per diluted share compared to net earnings of $18.3 million or 23 cents per diluted share for the same period last year. Analyst average estimates were a loss of a penny. Earnings were impacted in part by restructuring charges, which was partially offset by the sale of the company's Aegis Metal Framing joint venture. Worthington Industries is a leading diversified metal processing company with annual sales of approximately $3 billion. H.B. Fuller Company reported, excluding non-cash impairment charge, the adjusted first quarter 2009 net income was $6.6 million or 14 cents per diluted share. This is versus $18.2 million or 32 cents per diluted share in last year's first quarter. Analyst average estimates were 14 cents per share. Net revenue for the first quarter of 2009 was $278.6 million, down 13.7% versus the first quarter of 2008. Lower volume and unfavorable foreign currency translation adversely impacted net revenue growth by 14.7% and 5.1% respectively. H.B. Fuller Company manufactures and markets adhesives and specialty chemical products worldwide. Sonic Automotive Incorporated announced the company had a loss from continuing operations of $4.8 million or a loss of 12 cents per diluted share for the fourth quarter 2008 compared to diluted earnings per share from continuing operations of 62 cents per share with 2 cents adjustment for a total of 64 cents last year. Analyst average estimates were looking for a 3-cent profit. Scott Smith, the company's president and chief strategic officer, stated, "The disruption in the credit markets, increase in unemployment, and the resulting declines in consumer confidence have caused industry-wide new vehicle sales levels to decline dramatically." He added, "We also continue to focus on the cost side of the business and have implemented cost reductions which we project to yield approximately $125 million in annual savings." Sonic Automotive Incorporated, a Fortune 300 company, is one of the largest automotive retailers in the United States. And now, the dividend report. Nara Bancorp Incorporated announced that its board of directors has suspended the company's quarterly common stock dividend due to the economic downturn and to preserve capital. Nara Bancorp Incorporated operates as the holding company for Nara Bank, which provides various commercial banking and consumer financial services primarily to individuals and to small and medium-sized businesses. The board of directors of Chimera Investment Corporation declared the first quarter 2009 common stock cash dividend of 6 cents per common share. This dividend is payable April 29 to common shareholders of record on April 6, 2009. Chimera Investment Corporation is a real estate investment trust. Campbell Soup Company announced that the company's board of directors declared a regular quarterly dividend on its capital stock of 25 cents per share. The dividend is payable May 4th to shareholders of record at the close of business on April 6, 2009. Campbell Soup Company, together with its subsidiaries, engages in the manufacture and marketing of branded convenience food products worldwide. Glacier Bancorp Incorporated's board of directors declared a quarterly dividend of 13 cents per share. The dividend is payable on April 16 to owners of record on April 7, 2009. Glacier Bancorp Incorporated, a multi-bank holding company, provides commercial banking services in Montana, Idaho, Wyoming, Utah, and Washington. Progress Energy's board of directors declared a dividend on the company's common stock. The quarterly dividend was declared at 62 cents per share, payable on May 1st to shareholders of record as of April 13, 2009. Progress Energy is a Fortune 500 energy company with more than 21,000 megawatts of generation capacity and $9 billion in annual revenues. For more information about these dividends and other announcements, go to cdtv.net.